California homeowners, did you know probate in California can be very costly? On a $500,000 home, the probate process could mean $20,000 in attorney fees. Here's how you can avoid these costs completely. California has some of the highest probate costs in the nation. Fees are set by law starting at 4% of the first $100,000. It adds up fast, especially as probate takes 12 to 18 months minimum. Your family is stuck in court, unable to sell or refinance. California probate is mandatory unless you have planned ahead. The transfer on death deed is a powerful tool for California property owners. Since 2016, it allows real estate transfer automatically at death, avoiding probate. With a TOD deed, you transfer property directly to beneficiaries. Avoid probate court and fees, keeping control during your lifetime. Protect your property from creditors and maintain exemptions. Creating the California transfer on death deed is simple. Name your beneficiaries, usually family, and record it with your county recorder. You keep all rights like selling or changing beneficiaries. Upon your death, beneficiaries file your death certificate and the property is theirs. No probate, no court, no statutory fees. Since 2016, thousands of property owners have used TOD deeds. Estate planning attorneys charge $800 to $2,000 for these deeds. Without a TOD deed or trust, your family faces probate. Proposition 19 changed tax reassessment rules. A TOD deed with Prop 19 planning can save thousands. I created a complete California transfer on death deed package. It includes attorney drafted forms, instructions, and statutory warnings. Guidance on ownership reports and recording requirements is provided. Sample deeds and revocation forms are included. Proposition 19 considerations are explained to protect your property. Don't let California's probate system take thousands from your family. Download your California transfer on death deed forms today. Protect your property and save your family thousands by avoiding probate.